Let me show you how to package the popcorn using this pack. I've already showed you how to package it using the nylon, this white nylon. This is 4.5. Yes, so let me show you how to package it in a big pack like this. So you get this pack in the market. You get it in the market where they are selling nylon or any popcorn material, popcorn things. So you can get this pack here. So you also get this nylon, this type of nylon. Make sure you have it. Look at it here. Make sure you have it. You can screenshot this video. Just screenshot, pause it and screenshot this part so that you take this picture and show them whether they have this type of nylon. Let me bring that to you. Just like this. You see? This type of nylon. This is what you are going to use. Then you will get your twist tie. This type of rope. They use it in tying bread, in tying cupcake and others. This type of twist tie, they call it twist tie. Twist tie. So you get, it has different colors. They have green, they have red like this, they have blue, they have golden color. So when you go to the market, tell them to give you twist tie, twist tie. So you get it. Okay. So look at it here, this twist tie. So when you get it like this, it's always like this. Then you hold here. When you hold this plate, use your hand like this and hold it, push it so that it will give, it has a shape. Look at it. It now has 4 corner shape. Remember, it was this way before. It was this way. So when you hold it here, push it, it will open. So now have this 4 corner shape. Then you load it inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of this spoon. Then you get that nylon. Hey, come on. So you drop it down, get your nylon, get the nylon, open it very well, open the mouth very well. Then you now put it inside. You see? Remember, it has not full. You have to top it up small, just 1 spoon or 1.5. You top it. Get 1 spoon. Top it. Just add jara. You now package it. Fold the mouth. Use your hand, fold the mouth. Fold it like this. Package. Some people used to put spoon. I used to put spoon sometimes. It's by order. If somebody orders it and asks me to put spoons, then I'll buy spoon and put. It's not compulsory, but if you like, you can be putting spoon. People will like it. So you now twist it so that this place will be tight. If it is not tight, breeze can easily enter it. So when you twist it very well, make it strong. You now get your twist tie and tie it. If you are tying it, make sure everything is tight, very strong, so that breeze will not enter inside. So look at it. Look at it. This is how to do it. So let's tie another one. So look at the pack. Hold it here to open it. See? So sometimes when you open it like this, you see that the mouth is not okay. So look at it here. You see? So when you hold it like this, push it, it will open. Look at it. Hold it here, push it, it will open. So when it's open like this, see the mouth is not that four corner. You can hold here, drag it. Hmm? You hold here, drag it, press it very well so that it will straighten. Press it very well so that it will have shape. Look at it. It has this shape now. Then you load it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see it? Then you get your nylon. Open it very well. Open it very well. Then you put it. You see? Then you dress it very well. Then you add another 1.5 spoon. 1. Another half. So at this point, use your 2 hands to bring it together. Arrange it very well. Hold the mouth. Then you twist the pack. Twist it like 2 to 3 times. So, when you twist it, if you don't twist it like that, air can enter inside. So after twisting, you get the twist tie, that tie, use it and tie the mouth, make it very strong. And after tying it, you can get sticker. Make a sticker with your name, stick to the pack. It will make it very unique. I used to put sticker too.